Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the growing market for tiny luxury campers, the 2027 Ford VANTourer stands out as a strong competitor, offering a distinctive fusion of sophisticated comfort and small space usefulness. Ford's intention to serve a discriminating customer base looking for luxury adventure in a more manageable package is demonstrated by this future model's unique layout and advanced powertrain. The 2027 Ford VANTourer's exterior would probably have a sleek, contemporary design that avoids the boxy functionality that is sometimes connected to smaller camper vans. A purposeful attitude, aerodynamic curves, and clean lines would all be examples of Ford's design language. Its luxurious positioning would be emphasized by the use of high-end materials and finishes, such as integrated LED lighting and superior paintwork. The design would prioritize optimizing internal space without sacrificing aesthetic appeal, despite its small footprint. Its usefulness might be improved by useful external features like a power awning, built-in storage spaces, and maybe an optional pop-top roof for more living or sleeping space. The special design, making the most of every inch. The unique layout of the VANTourer is perhaps its best feature. Effective use of space is crucial in a small camper van, and Ford is anticipated to provide a creative solution. This might entail multi-purpose furniture includes tables that can be folded up or down when not in use, seating that can be smartly transformed into sleeping quarters, and ingenious storage options that are incorporated into every possible space, including beneath seats, in the floor, and inside cabinets. Optimized kitchen and bathroom. An efficient galley kitchen would be small but incredibly functional, with a refrigerator, microwave, sink, and two-burner stove as standard equipment. To save space, the bathroom may have a wet bath arrangement, in which the shower and toilet are in the same area, or a carefully constructed modular unit that can be extended or retracted. Intelligent storage. A major priority would be to have plenty of well-organized storage, including underfloor spaces, overhead cabinets, and maybe even outside storage for larger things. Performance and powertrain. The benefit of a 9-speed automatic. The VANTourer's performance and efficiency have been improved with the addition of a 9-speed automatic transmission. When combined with Ford's well-proven EcoBoost gasoline engine or a sophisticated diesel option, this cutting-edge gearbox would provide a number of benefits. Increased fuel efficiency. A 9-speed transmission's broader gear ratios enable the engine to run at lower RPMs for extended periods of time, greatly increasing fuel efficiency for both city and highway travel. Smoother driving experience. Smoother acceleration and deceleration are achieved with higher gear ratios, which results in a more comfortable ride. This is especially important for a car intended for leisure travel. Improved load carrying and towing. The sturdy transmission would manage torque better, allowing it to handle the demands of a loaded camper van and possibly even light towing. Luxurious meetings. In addition to its unique design and functionality, the VANTourer would have opulent amenities. Anticipate first-rate upholstery, contemporary interior design, top-notch appliances, and a cutting-edge multimedia system with connectivity and navigation capabilities. The upscale feel and useful usability would be further improved with LED lighting throughout, a well-integrated climate control system, and numerous USB charging points. To sum up, the 2027 Ford VANTourer intends to revolutionize the tiny luxury camper van market by providing a highly efficient design, an advanced 9-speed automatic gearbox for maximum efficiency and economy, and a degree of elegance and sophistication usually associated with considerably larger cars. It embodies Ford's dedication to offering high-end, adaptable recreational options for today's explorer.